In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Gemini AI and download the result as a PNG. First, open your browser and head over to Gemini AI. Make sure you're signed in to your account so you can save and download your work without any issues. Once you're on the main Gemini page, look for the image upload option. This is usually represented by an icon that lets you attach or drag in a file. Click that. Then select the image from your computer that you want to edit. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files can take a few seconds. After the image appears in Gemini, you're going to tell the AI exactly what you want. In the prompt or message box, type something clear like, "Remove the background and keep only the main subject with a transparent background suitable for PNG." Being specific helps Gemini understand that you don't want a new image created from scratch, but rather an edited version of your existing one. When you're ready, submit the prompt. Gemini will process the image and generate a version with the background removed. This might take a short moment, depending on the complexity of the image. Once it's done, you should see a preview. Take a close look at the edges around your subject. If something looks off, such as parts of the background still showing or important details being cut off, you can refine your instructions. For example, you might say, "Please refine the edges around the hair," or "Include the entire object, including the bottom part," and let Gemini generate an improved version. After you're happy with the result, it's time to download it as a PNG. Look for the download button or menu associated with the generated image. When you click download, make sure the file type is set to PNG, not JPG or any other format. PNG supports transparency, which is what allows the background to be see-through in your final image. Save the file to a folder where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop or a dedicated images folder. Once the PNG is saved, you can open it in your preferred design tool, presentation software, or website builder. You'll notice the background is gone, and the subject sits cleanly on whatever new background you choose. And that's all there is to it. Upload your image to Gemini, ask it to remove the background, review the result, and download as a PNG with transparency.